as my son would say. Mum, do the dab. Hi, welcome to Winging It with Hoda. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make falafel, homemade of course, from scratch, and I'm using the Oleoclean Pro, a deep fryer by Tefal. I love this fryer, and the reason why I do is because I always say the genius technology. It self-cleans, it filters the oil, it stores them in this box down here, and you can leave that there for the next time you want to deep fry. So basically, once it filters the oil, you clean the other parts, leave it for next time, and it's ready to go. What I also love about the Oleoclean Pro is its capacity, 3.5 litres, and it fits up to 1.2 kilos worth of food, which means you don't have to keep putting too many batches every time you want to make something. It goes up to 190 degrees, and actually out of a lot of different deep fryers on the market, it has a fast recovery time, so it gets to temperature quite quickly. I've pulled out my cuisine companion because I want to mix everything up in here, and I'm going to show you how super simple it is to make your own falafels at home. So first up, I've got the oil heated up to 190 degrees because you want a nice, beautiful, crispy outside and a soft, fluffy inside. We're gonna start off with fava beans. I've bought the ones that have already been peeled, I guess, soaked overnight. You're gonna have a combination of chickpeas and fava beans, and both need to be soaked overnight, not cooked, just soaked. So in that goes. And just process until you have a fine crumb. Okay, scrape down the sides, and then I'm gonna pulse it. Straight into our bowl now. And I'm just gonna reuse the same processor to do the chickpeas. Lid on and pulse. Okay, chickpeas are done, and straight into the bowl as well. Once I get this into the bowl, I'm just going to process the rest of the ingredients and knead it all together, and we're ready to go. So coriander, straight in. Parsley, green onions or shallots, however you like to say it. I'm going to go with 2 large cloves of garlic, and I've got some ground coriander and ground cumin, also straight in. We're going to flavour with a bit of salt. Now Mikhail's going to be laughing at me because he's like, a little bit of salt? Yes, this is Hoda's salt. And we've got just a few tablespoons roughly of water, so that's just to bind everything together. So in that goes, and that's all. We're ready to process. So just a quick scrape down of your bowl, and we'll process again. Okay, this is smelling sensational. Before we combine, we want to add a little bit of flour, just plain flour. And because I'm going to fry straight away, the bicarb soda now. If you're not going to fry straight away and you want to keep them in the freezer or the fridge, mix it up without the bicarb and just add the bicarb about 10 minutes before you want to start frying them. I'm actually going to use my hands for this part to knead it because you really need to work the herbs and get like almost a dough happening. I've got my, I guess you can call it falafel batter. If you have access to a Middle Eastern supermarket who sells one of these fine looking utensils that goes down, this is a falafel utensil, I guess. Get yourself one of these. Otherwise, if you don't have access to it, you can roll them in balls or just with 2 spoons, just like this. You can drop those in and have your falafels that way. Grab some mix. Now what you want to do is drop it in. hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Why is it my fault? Why are you rushing?
Because you have to be quick, buddy. You know, what brings me so much joy is that beautiful crunchy golden brown on the outside, and because the herbs were like slightly on the chunkier side, you can still see them. It looks so delicious. So now it's time to plate up. I'm so excited because look at these little morsels, so crispy on the outside and nice and beautiful and fluffy on the inside. I'm turning this into a bit of a bowl, and what I'm going to do, I have made a parsley and onion and sumac salad, fresh veggies, some micro herbs, a yogurt and cucumber dressing, and it's gonna look and taste delicious. And the final product, my falafel bowl with a, you know, I'm gonna call it a bit of a salad, some beautiful micro herbs, so much freshness in one bowl, and one that's sure to fill you up.